It's that hot. It came off. Hold on. It is that hot. It literally unstuck itself. Wow.
A few minutes later.
Oh my God. That could have been really bad. Okay, we're gonna have to get some double side tape. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. So sketchy. Oh shit, it fell. Oh, fuck me.
Jesus Christ is my nigga.
Gotta go. Oh my God, fingers crossed I find this stupid double side tape. So we're gonna try advanced auto parts. Maybe shade. This is the stuff that I'm looking for. It won't come off no more.